Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do Arm Jive Combs. So this is based on 2 beginner moves and variations of. So I'll put links to those moves in the description below, so it's easy and quick for you to find them if you want to go back and recap them. But jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Let's break it down. Starts like a standard arm jive. So we go back to 2 hands. We're going to pull left, right, and left again. Okay, so we've done 3 arm jives. Normally at this point we'd be up at the shoulder ready to do a turn. But from here, we're going to pull with the right. We're going to left comb the lady. So we go lady comb here and release. We're going to turn and bring the right hand through the middle. The lady will naturally be wanting to twist back the other way because she's got a rhythm already set up. So we're going to take this hand across the lady's chest. We're going to take the guy's arm over the top. So just fingertips as we get past to connect up behind the lady's neck. And then all we're going to do, use the twist that's naturally wanting to come up from here. We pull, keep unwinding the lady, whirl it's a preparation, return spin, and catch left to right at the end, or whatever hand you're going to need next. We'll do the same thing from the other side, give you the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, pull left 2, pull right 3, pull left 4, combing 5, combing 6, rolling 7, preparation 8, returning 1, and catch 2. Well, return spin anyway. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6 arm jive combs. You go offer, left, right, left, comb, comb, roll, prep, return spin, and catch. And I know somebody is bound to say it, Nelson, this arm jive combs, there's no combs in it, there's only lady combs in it. Shouldn't it be called arm jive lady combs? I'd be the first to agree with you. It's just, that's what it's called. So I can't really do anything about that. So if we did exactly the same move and did them over the guy's head, you'd probably call them man combs, I suppose. Anyway, thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Use a recommendation at the end. As always, thank you all for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.